Hello students, today I will discuss another method of solving linear equation, which is elimination method. So elimination means we have to remove one variable, but how? So let's start. Now I will discuss the method. So this is the algorithm. At first you have to choose, then multiply, then eliminate and then solve. So let us discuss the problem. Here is two equation, okay? Here is two equation. So first step is choose. We have to choose one of the variable. It may be x or y, the decision is completely yours, but I suggest that always choose the variable whose coefficient is small comparatively, okay? So see, here the coefficient of x is 2 and 7 and the coefficients of y is 3 and 2. So these coefficients are small comparatively from these, okay? So we have to choose the variable y. You can choose the variable x, but if you choose variable y, then it will be easy. So choose is done. The first step is done. I choose here the variable y. Then it's done for multiply. So by multiplication you have to convert this variable, okay, into same number, okay. So here we will apply exchange offer. We multiply first equation with this coefficient, that is 2, and the second equation by this coefficient, that is 3. If we multiply, then 3 into 2 will become 6 and 2 into 3 become 6, okay. So multiplying 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Now write here what you will get, okay. If we multiply 2 in the equation 1, then it will become 4x minus 6y, and here 2 into 13 will be 26, and equation 2 by 3, so it will become 3 sevens are 21x minus 3 2s are 6y, and here 3 into 20 will be 60. Now this step is also complete. Now it's time for elimination. So here you have to understand a small logic, okay. Suppose you have two numbers, plus 1 and minus 1. So simply if you add these two numbers, one will be eliminated. So if they have opposite sign, you simply add them. If you want to eliminate one, then you simply add. It will be eliminated because plus 1 minus 1 gives you 0. So for opposite sign, you have to add. If they are opposite sign, you have to add. But if you have same sign, that is 1 and 1. If you add 1 and 1, it gives 2. So 1 will not be eliminated. So if you want to eliminate 1, then you have to subtract 1 from 1. Then it gives 0. That's mean if you have same sign, then you have to subtract. Okay. So same sign, subtract. If opposite side, then you have to add. See, here is minus and minus. That's mean same sign. So you have to subtract. So here give a subtraction sign, here also give a subtraction sign. So we write here and subtracting two from 1 we get, okay. So it will be 4x minus 6y minus 21x plus 6y equals to minus 34. Or here 6y and 6y will be eliminated, so elimination is done. So 4x minus 21x will be minus 17x equals to minus 34. So here minus sign and minus sign will be removed and x will be 34 upon 17, which is 2. Now one solution is ready. Now I substitute this value of x in any of this equation, okay. So substituting x equals to 2 in equation 1 we get. So what will be 2, just put the value of x here, 2 into 2 minus 3y equals to 13, which gives 4 minus 3y equals to 13, or 4 minus 13 equals to 3y, or minus 9 equals to 3y, which gives y equals to, here 3 is multiplied with y, so it will be minus 9 upon 3, which is minus 3. So the solutions are x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3. Okay, so now I will discuss another problem. See, here is two equations. So the coefficients of x are 10 and 6 and the coefficients of y are 3 and 5. So clearly we take y. So choosing is done, and also now we have to multiply to make the coefficient same, this coefficient and this coefficient. So clearly we multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 3. Okay, clearly we multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 3. So multiplying 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. But we will get, if we multiply 5 in 1, then it will be 50x and 5 3s are 15y, and here 5 into 75 will be 5 5s are 25 and 3 75. Okay, and next equation is 6. So 6 3s are 18x and 3 5s are 15y. Okay, and it will be 33. Now see, here they are opposite sign. Okay, if opposite sign, then we have to add. So and adding 1 and 2 we get. Okay, so next line we get 50x plus 15y plus 18x minus 15y equals to 5 6 7 8 8 9 10 408. So 15y and 15y will be eliminated. This is also done. So 50 plus 18x will be 68x equal to 408, or x equal to 408 upon 68. So solution of x is 6. Now we have to substitute the value of x in any one of these equations. So I choose the equation 2 because this number is small. So substituting x equal to 6 in 2, we get 6 into 6 minus 5y equals to 11, which gives 36 minus 5y equals to 11, or 36 minus 11 equals to 5y. It will give us y equals to 25 upon 5, which is 5. So the solutions are x equals to 6 and y equals to 5. Okay, so it is my discussion. So first step is choose, then multiply, then eliminate, and then solve. If you have any problem about my discussion, then tell me in comment section. If you like this video, then share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.